Passion fruit or purple granadilla is a nutritious tropical fruit. It's gaining popularity rapidly, especially among those people who are health conscious. According to botanists, passion fruit is considered a type of berry. It is a sweet-sour, highly aromatic, and seedy fruit, which is a rich source of antioxidants, contains a range of vitamins and plant compounds that can be highly beneficial for your health. In today's video, we will explore the nutrition and health benefits of passion fruit, and how to eat it. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and stay with us. Passion fruit benefits and nutrition. Good for diabetic diet. Passion fruit has a low glycemic index, and high fiber content. This makes it a great diabetic diet to maintain insulin levels for diabetics. According to diabetes specialists, the fiber pectin in passion fruit can make you feel full without increasing the calorie intake. Protect your eyes. Passion fruit is rich in vitamin A. And vitamin A is linked to benefits in eye health. It prevents macular degeneration, cataracts, night blindness, and improves your eyesight. Prevent cancer. Passion fruit is replete with antioxidants that fight the cancer-causing free radicals. It contains important vitamins, flavonoids, and other phenolic compounds that help prevent cancer. Also, the element chrysin in passion fruit promote anti-cancer activities. Keep your heart healthy. The rich content of riboflavin, vitamin B6, and niacin, vitamin B3, in passion fruit, helps in regulating the thyroid activity in our body, prevents blocking the arterial walls of the heart, and keeps your heart functions running smoothly. Prevent osteoporosis. Passion fruit is known to be rich in minerals like magnesium, calcium, iron, phosphorus, potassium, and sodium. These minerals maintain bone density, help in speedy recovery of bones, and prevent osteoporosis. How to eat passion fruit. Passion fruit isn't difficult to eat. But you have to choose the fruit carefully to enjoy the full benefit. Choose a fruit that feels heavy, and purple or yellow in color. The skin may be smooth or wrinkly. The more wrinkled the skin, the riper the fruit. Avoid any discolored, bruised, or green-spotted fruit. Now wash the fruit thoroughly, and with a sharp knife, cut the fruit in half. Scoop out the pulp with a spoon and eat. You can also make juice, jam, or tea with it. If you find this video helpful, just leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.